Do you know that you can change your Abshar number by using your mobile phone? In this video, I will show you exactly how to do it. Before we start, make sure that your number linked to your Gamma and the new SIM is with you. Let's go. Firstly, go to Apple Store or Google Play Store to download Nafat app. Once you download it, open it. And once you open it, tap on Digital Account Management. And now tap on Digital Identity Mobile Number Update. And now enter your ID number, Ikama, and tap on Next. Now enter your new mobile number. Once you done, tap on Next. Now you will receive OTP verification code, and once you receive it, start tapping it. Once you tap it, tap on Next. Now get ready for face verification. Capture your face. Now your Abshar number has successfully changed. They said you should check it after 10 minutes. After 10 minutes or less than that, you may receive message like this: dear client, the mobile number end with so has been deleted from your account on the Abshar platform, and the new entered number has been approved. It's easy, right? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you are watching on TikTok or Facebook, drop a follow for more Saudi video. Thank you.